How to not get copyrighted on TikTok. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I am going to show you how you cannot get copyrighted on TikTok. So to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. First of all, open your TikTok. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of TikTok application on your device. If you have already done so, then simply open your TikTok, choose your profile on the down right side, tap on the three vertical lines on the top right side now. Now go to the TikTok studio. On the first option, you can see many options such as monetization, more tools, training recommended, and many other things right here. Now what you need to do is on the top right side, you will see the very hamburger option. Tap on there. And here you will see video sound copyright check. When you enable it, it will copyright check you. But when you disable it, you want the TikTok won't just copyright check you, and then you can simply upload any kind of videos. So just turn it off and then you are done. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.